including 3 appointed by the Republican president, ruled in a short ruling that Texas had no right to interfere in the organization of elections in other states. While the Maine voters must meet on Monday to register their votes, Donald Trump still refuses to concede defeat to Democrat Joe Biden and assures that the election was stolen from him. For lack of tangible evidence to back up his accusations of massive fraud, the 50 or so complaints filed by his allies across the United States have all, with one exception, been dismissed by the courts or dropped. After these failures and a first setback in the Supreme Court, the Texan authorities filed an appeal on Tuesday that appeared to be a last-ditch operation. They called for the overturning of results in 4 key states won by Joe Biden: Pennsylvania, Georgia, Michigan, and Wisconsin, on the grounds that they said local authorities had violated election laws by expanding the use of postal voting. Donald Trump had described the case as very solid and had intervened in a personal capacity in the procedure. More than 120 elected Republican congressmen had formally associated themselves with the process, which was widely criticized by legal experts. "It's a press release disguised as a complaint," Professor Rick Hassan said on his election blog. "We have a new candidate in the craziest election complaint category," added Texas colleague Steve Vladek on Twitter. For the first time in its history, the very serious Scott Toos blog, which covers Supreme Court news, called on its judges to crush the Texas complaint. "This is not a serious complaint or a legitimate position," said co-founder Tim Goldstein. Donald Trump had, however, put pressure on the magistrates. "They must show great courage and great wisdom. Save the USA," he tweeted on Friday. The president, who radically changed the temple of American law, said the day after the poll that he was going to seize it. He was probably hoping for a reissue of the 2000 scenario when the Supreme Court interrupted a recount in Florida, offering the presidential election to George W. Bush,